Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the watch accurate, wear it snug and avoid nearby metal. Enable location services and compass permissions so the sensor has GPS backup. Once done, open the compass app and tap the center to begin immediate calibration. Walk a few steps and rotate your wrist slowly so the sensors settle. This first action gives you a stable heading, and it's why you skip long setup. You're letting the watch collect real-time data to produce reliable directions now. You now lock your direction to keep a steady course. Press and hold the compass face until the lock icon appears and the heading stays fixed. Once locked, tap Add Waypoint to pin your current position, name it so you can return easily, and the watch stores precise GPS coordinates for later. Make small course corrections using the degree readout and elevation values when terrain changes. If you need to return, choose Backtrack and follow the arrow. The watch will guide you step by step. You finish by unlocking the compass or deleting the waypoint once you arrive, and double-check that any important locations are saved. If the heading drifts or seems wrong, make sure to recalibrate. Go into compass settings or simply restart the app to force a fresh sensor read. If problems persist, perform a figure-8 motion with the watch to recalibrate the magnetometer and move away from magnetic interference like speakers or vehicle roofs. That one step usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.